Alright, peoples. As you can see, I put in a girl as a poster for the first time. But I have to introduce you to... Before we start this phone collection, I have to introduce you to 3 new phones I got. Here's my LG. Here's my new LG 220C on the 10. Works pretty well and doesn't have a camera sadly. But that's okay. Even though it's just check phone right there, counts as a Net 10 phone. Here's my BlackBerry Pearl Flip on my... Works, but the battery is so bloated that I had to not use it anymore. Here's my Moto Droid on Turbo on Verizon. Reason we got this is yesterday. I got this Tuesday and I got this today. Now let's go with my old phones. Starting here we have the TCL K24 or on Simple Mobile. Works pretty well. Here's my Mitsubishi MT-1296. Partially obliterated, but that's okay. Here's my TCL. I don't know what. A TCL A1 on track phone. Works perfectly fine. Here's my TCL Flip 3E. I didn't get the Flip 4 model. On track... No, not track. Yeah, on track phone. Here's my Samsung of Verizon. Here's my Samsung Reality on Verizon. It shows you that the battery's powering off. Here's my Sharp Aquos Crystal and Sprint Boost Express Boost. Oh, this is my... Here's my LG Optimus. Yes. Fuel 2 on Verizon. It's fun fact, it's the prepaid phone. I just realized. Here's my Blue Flex X. Flex on track phone. Here's my LG VX 822 8100 I mean. on Verizon. Here's my Samsung Galaxy Galaxy Exhibit on Metro PCS. Another prepaid phone. Here's my Alcatel One Touch A25G on TracFone 2. Here's my LG Cosmos on the Verizon, I mean. Here's my LG NV2 on Verizon also. How weird is that since I got so many Verizon phones. Here's my Siemens 6 on Singular. Works very well. Here's my LG V20 on Verizon. Works very well, but the back refuses to stay on a lot, even if the battery's in there okay. Here's my Blue Flex, not Blue Flex, Blue Blue View Speed Ultra 5G on TracFone, or mainly Verizon. I'll show you all the intros, now the opening sequences to these phones. I had to here, I'll do this one first. Oh, I remember it needs charging. Now I have it plugged in. It makes this. There we go. See, it's on Net 10 wireless for no apparent reason, but that's okay. Up. There we go. I had to keep the back cover off because for no reason the back cover doesn't want to stay on because the battery. Whew, I gotta show you the battery after I'm done doing this. Sorry if it's just on the. It's been on that once ever since I first been doing this clock square ticking clock loop for like since I first got it, it's been doing that. And by the way, this is the very first BlackBerry phone in my collection. Come on, man. Turn on. It's on T-Mobile too, which is particularly my very first phone to be on T-Mobile. service is not working well. Yep. Oh. It'll take longer to do this than usual. Should turn on soon. Say hello to her. Come on, man, show the T-Mobile logo. By the way, this is an 18-year-old BlackBerry which refuses to turn on for no freaking reason. God damn it. Sorry if I had to curse. I had to run out my curse words. Maybe I should hold it. I should hold it even longer. Ah! There we go! Phew. I had to I'm gonna dispose the battery as soon as I get a new one. They're practically the same size, so this one fits. It does fit. Oh my god. It fits. Does it even turn on real quick? No. Even though it's practically the same size, doesn't seem to work. But don't worry. Sorry for the waiting. It vibrates. Did it vibrate? Probably just did. So I'm not doing all the phones, but I just want to talk about this phone that's special. I just want to talk about this phone. and why it's my very first BlackBerry. And it has a rolling thing. As you can see, it does roll a lot. It rolls. It looks kind of fine to me, if you know what I mean. So, that's all I'm gonna show you in my phone collection. I'll turn up soon and see you later.